With 18 affirmative votes, 5 negative votes, 0 abstention, the motion of Senator Cayetano is carried.
And for the record, Mr. President, I changed the word remand to return, a non-legal term, to make it plain. So it is in no means a dismissal, Mr. President. Kung dismissal din lang, bumalik tayo sa original na
Your Honor,
just to emphasize that it isn't, and just to answer Senator Win na why remand, because the original motion was to dismiss, and I understand why they want it to dismiss. This is a compromise that I feel is both practical and idealistic, Mr. President, in my view, Mr. President.
Again, this will not constitute a dismissal, Senator Judge Pimentel, because as the presiding officer said earlier, we will be issuing summons.
Why use dangerous words, Mr. President? At saka yung pag-restate mo, ang layo na sa return the issues ang sinabi mo. Wala ko narinig yun. That's why, Mr. President, ganito na lang gawin natin. Mahaba-haba rin yung supposed to be accurately, clearly stated motion. Can we write it down? Can we flash it? Para makita na natin yung fixed wording. Because I never heard return the issues. Ngayon ko lang narinig sa presiding officer. Kaya magulo, sobrang gulo, Mr. President.
Can we have the Honorable Cayetano restate the motion? Do you want it printed, Coco?
Mr. President, I don't think magulo dun sa pabor eh. Magulo dun sa hindi pabor. Because I restated it already, Mr. President. Whether we use the word remand, whether we use the word return, there is nothing in the Constitution, in our rules, given not only the point na sui generis ang classification ng ating court, yung time na final, yung ating gagawin, this will actually expedite everything. If you map it out, Mr. President, kung anong mangyayari, mas bibilis pa nga dito. Kaya sa akin, Mr. President, bago magbago ang isip ni Senator Bato, we've clarified as much as it can be clarified. So maybe we can just vote on it, Mr. President.
There is a motion made by Senator Bato, amended by
Mr.
Senator
President, before you
Cayetano.
continue, can I invoke Rule 14? So kung may motion, all motions, etc., or any senator shall require it, they shall be committed to writing. Mr. President, I am requiring that it be committed to writing and flashed on the screen para makita natin the details of the motion, Mr. President.
Mr. President, can they type it as I narrate it? Then we can edit it together. Then may I remind everyone that we're already in the period of voting, so it cannot be interrupted anymore. But no, it's in good. Nagtawag na siya. But we will follow. Tama yung motion mo, Mr. Minority Leader. So we will narrate it and so that it will be typewritten.
Can the Secretariat coordinate with Senator Cayetano now? The status of the hearing is that Senator Pimentel requested that the motion be reduced into writing, which Senator Cayetano did earlier.
Sir President, should I read it for the record or ask the Secretariat to read it for the record?
No, Senator Judge Cayetano, will you please read it into the records before we divide the House and put the matter to a vote?
Thank you, Mr. President.
Senator Cayetano, you may proceed.
Mr. Presiding Officer, I move to amend the motion of Senator De La Rosa to read as follows: that the articles of impeachment be returned to the House of Representatives without dismissing, and that should be nor terminating the case until such time that one, the House of Representatives certify to the non-violation of Article 11, Section 3, Paragraph 5 of the Constitution, which provides that no impeachment proceeding shall be initiated against the same official more than once within a period of 1 year, including the circumstances of the filing of the first 3 impeachment complaints. And number 2, that the House of Representatives of the 20th Congress communicate to the Senate that it is willing and ready to pursue the impeachment complaint against the Vice President.
Having been restated in compliance with our rules, the presiding officer will now proceed to divide the House. Should anyone desire to explain their vote, he or she may do so after the vote has been taken. All those in favor of the motion of Senator Cayetano, as read and as you can see in the screens before you, please raise your hands. Kindly. All those against the motion of Senator Judge Cayetano, please raise your hand. With 18 affirmative votes, 5 negative votes, 0 abstention, the motion of Senator Cayetano is carried.
Kakatapos ko lang panoorin ang proceedings sa Senado at itong maniobra na ginawa ni Alan Peter Cayetano, kakatawa. Ibabalik daw ang articles of impeachment sa House of Representatives para una, parang gusto niya lang magtanong sa House of Representatives. Ibabalik para tanungin ng House of Representatives, hindi ba ito illegal? Pwede bang i-certify nyo na hindi illegal to? Kung isang katutak na ewan ko tong si Alan Peter Cayetano. Di ba? Hindi ka mag-hear ng impeachment, yung articles of impeachment, kasi gusto mo pang tanungin ang isang bagay na alam mo na dapat na sinagot na yan ng House of Representatives. Ito bang House of Representatives magpa-file ng impeachment complaint kung naniniwala silang illegal at unconstitutional yung pagtanggap nila ng impeachment complaints? At pagkonsolida sa isang impeachment complaint kung saan ipinasa na nila sa Senado? Diba, alam nga naman sasabihin ng House of Representatives ay hindi ko masabi, illegal yata. Ganon. Diba? Parang naggagaguhan tayo dito eh. At second, ibalik daw sa House of Representatives para tanungin ng House of Representatives, sigurado ba kayo gusto nyong ituloy? Hindi ba nakakatawa itong Senadong ito? Ibabalik mo sa House para itanong sila kung gusto nyo, sigurado silang ituloy nila. Tapos itong kicker eh. Hindi daw itong 19th Congress ang magsasagot. Dapat ang 20th Congress daw. Talagang kompleto na yung gaguhan dito. Diba? Ang ginawa ng Senado, inando nila isang bagay na tapos na. Dahil sa ating konstitusyon, mag-i-initiate ng impeachment at boboto para ipasa ang articles of impeachment ay ang House of Representatives. It is as if hindi nangyari lahat yun. At umaasa to si Alan Peter Cayetano at itong mga senador na gusto maghugas ng kamay, umaasa sila na dahil iba na yung komposisyon ng mga kongresista, iba na yung sirkumstansya, sasabihin sa kanila, ay hindi na kami magtutuloy na file na. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Undoing something that has already been done. Which is really out of this world, anomalous and unconstitutional. Can the Senate really undo yung trabaho ng House of Representatives na natapos na? At ibabalik niya sa House of Representatives para lang magtanong ng dalawang tanong na yun. Na nakakatawa. Again ganito katalino ang ating Senado. Ganito katalino. Sobrang talino, pati yan ni Alan Peter Cayetano. Ibabalik daw ang articles of impeachment para tanungin ng House of Representatives, pwede bang i-certify nyo na hindi illegal ito? Tapos pangalawang tanong na gusto nilang sagutin ng House of Representatives, sigurado ba kayo na gusto nyong ituloy? Hindi ko maintindihan tong Senadong ito. At yang si Alan Peter Cayetano, if you strip yung the garbo and the abogado, yung kanyang motion ay simpleng tanga. Ito hindi na ito mariresolve dyan sa mga hindi ko maintindihan yung mga traditional politician dyan sa Senado. Ang accountability, tanda natin, 600 million pesos nilustay. Ang prinsipyo ng accountability, ang accountability ng Vice President, dapat yan meron ng direktang intervention sa taong bayan. Yun lang.